Hello, everyone. This is Dr. Wang. Here is the question. If square root of x minus p equals x has two different positive solutions, find the range of p. That means for what kind of p-value to put here, this equation will have two different positive solutions. In general, how to solve this equation? You have square root here. We square both sides. We square both sides, cancel the root sign. Right-hand side, that's x squared. Move everything to one side, x squared minus x minus p. This is a quadratic equation. We are assuming x1, x2 are two roots for this equation. Then we have x minus x1 times x minus x2 equal to 0. Simplify this, we have this here. Comparing both sides, let's mark it. Comparing both sides here, one here. Okay. For this one, what is this? x1 plus x2 equals the constants here. What is this? This is 1 here, right? So x1 plus x2 equals 1. P equals 1. P equals the product of x1 times x2. Now here we have the result. x1 plus x2 equals 1. x1 times x2 equals p. Because this equation has two different positive solutions. Positive means x1 is positive, x2 is positive. P equals x1 times x2, positive times positive is positive. We have this result. We find x must be bigger than, p must be bigger than 0. Summarize the result from the previous page. We have this equation simplified, and also p is bigger than 0. Quadratic formula. If the quadratic equation is this, ax squared plus bx plus c equal to 0, the two answers, x1, x2 equals negative b plus minus square root of b squared minus 4ac divided by 2a. So here, when inside part of the root sign is negative, we don't have any real number solutions. If inside part of the root sign equals 0, that means here plus minus doesn't mean anything, because plus minus 0 is always 0. You only have one unique solution. Or sometimes we say two equal solutions, right? They're equal. You only have one. If the two solutions are different, here in our case, two different. So that means the inside part must be bigger than 0, so that plus minus make difference. So this implies b squared minus 4ac must be bigger than or equal to 0. Must be bigger than, cannot be equal. Equal, you have only one solution. So here, look at our situation. What is b here? B is negative 1. What is c? C equals p. What is a equals 1? So plug in here. You have a negative 1, that's b squared. Then square minus 4 times 1 times p, bigger than 0. Imply or simplify, right? That's 1 minus 4p. So 4p less than 1, we find p less than 1/4. This is the second result. First result, p is bigger than 0 and less than 1/4. Combining both results together, we have 0 less than or equal to p less than or equal to 1/4. That means this is the range for P. P is in between 0 and 1/4. That's all. Thanks for watching and see you next time.